Okay, well, I'm prepared to put in the well point and an additional 25-foot total of pipe. The pump that I have is made for shallow wells, and it only pulls 25 foot down underground. It can only pull up 25 foot of water. So let's go ahead and turn on the pressure washer. We're going to see if we can't loosen this pipe up just a little bit, and then we're going to drop our 1 inch down through there. All right, here we go. Just to get you up to speed, I've installed a 2-inch pipe that I've drilled with using the pressure washer and teeth on the end of that 2-inch pipe. And I've let it sit there for probably about an hour, and the sand just packs down around that pipe. So I'm using the pressure washer to loosen up the sand on both sides, the inside and the outside of that pipe. And once I'm satisfied that the pipe is freed up, I'll go ahead and install the new well point. Alright, looked like I had good movement on the 2-inch pipe. Remember, that's down there 30 feet. Insert our well point. Insert our well, can't say well point. Insert the well point. And just, make sure that your brass fittings and whatever fittings you have go right down through that 2-inch. And you can see I've got, must be at a, there we go. Kind of caught up on where I have a coupling there down 10 feet. Alright, so I want to dry that up. So I am moving rather quickly. I do not want that 2-inch pipe to freeze up on me and have that sand packed back around it. Here I'm putting on a section of 1-inch pipe, 10 foot long. That's going to make my depth right around 30 feet. I am using OD pipe glue and OD primer for gluing the 10-foot section into the coupling. Getting exciting. Not long and we'll have well water here on the property. All fittings and pipes need to be glued so you will not lose your prime. Or in other words, if water were to leak out of the pipe, you would have to reprime or fill the pipe with water each time you turned on the pump. Alright, that went all the way down into the coupling. Just going to let that set up for a moment, and then we'll continue it down through the 2-inch. Alright, so take off my safety here. Let this thing go ahead and go down into the well. Alright, so you can see how easy this goes down now. That's into the water table. Like I said, once it got past 25 feet, this thing just went through like butter. So we're ready to pull that 2-inch off of there. I'm just putting this safety on while I get ready. So I'm down in there 25 feet and it's sinking like butter. So I'm going to put on an additional piece here just to be on the safe side. I don't want this thing to go down to where I can't grab it while I'm taking out the 2-inch. You could leave the 2-inch in, but it might interfere with suction, bringing in water into the perforated area, the well point. So we're going to be on the safe side and pull that out. Let that set up for a second, and we'll try pulling out this 2-inch pipe. Sink it a little bit.
Keep pulling. Keep going. Just gotta wiggle it. Yep. Just go.
Come your way.
Yeah, go really quick when you see the bottom. Nice. So we pulled off the 2-inch drill shaft, and now we've got the well point down in there, and it's solid at the bottom, looking good. So maybe tomorrow he'll get that pump out and hook this up.
All right, well, you saw that we pulled this 30 feet of pipe out from underground, and the well teeth are still on there. So this worked really well. About 20 to 25 feet down, right in that area. Kind of difficult, but once it passed that, it was inside of a water pocket or the table, and it just went through like butter. I'm keeping my safety on here, just in case it does go down more than my 7 foot I put on. Be sure to watch all of our how-to videos right here on Atlantic Drain.